Hi, my name is Sergey, and I'm founder of Planyway, task planning calendar connected with the other apps. My passion is productivity, and I've tried almost all well-known productivity apps in the market. And why do we use calendar and task list every day? Because today, time has much more value than money. And we use a lot of different apps to be productive, like emails, chats, CRM, PM, and other systems. And they generate us a lot of tasks that we should execute. But the main problem is that apps are not connected with our calendar and task lists. And we should go back and forth between them to coordinate all together. Imagine if you drive a car and your GPS navigator is on the back seat and your speedometer is inside glove box. Will it be effective to drive those cars? No, because we need to manage everything at one place. And this is why we are doing Planyway. The idea of Planyway is very simple. It is a browser extension, and you can click Planyway button on every website that you use, and you will see a calendar as a side panel, and you will be able to drag and drop everything from your websites to your calendar and to your task list, like messages, tasks, events, and even just text, and they will be synchronized. And we started at the integration with Trello and Google Calendar, and for today we have 100K users in 189 countries, and most of them are in the US. And for 4 months, we've got from 0 to $50K dollars in revenue. People from these companies are already using Planyway, and they spread the word inside their companies among their teams, and this is our main marketing channel in B2B. And we have several awards, like #1 product of the day on Product Hunt, 3 times featured on Chrome Store. We are Startup Sauna Helsinki alumni, and we are proud to be here at Global Pitch. And the market size of productivity apps is pretty big. It's estimated like 67 billion and is growing every year. And we have a freemium business model with a basic free version and a paid version for individuals and teams. And there are a lot of different productivity apps in the market. And we are going to connect all of them together with Planyway. And our team has a huge experience in software development, and we are all crazy about productivity. And we even plan our development in Planyway already. So, and today I'm proud to launch our beta version of our mobile app that will be available on iOS and Android. And very soon, you can download it and try it. And we are looking for a lead investor here in the US for $2.5 million, and we have already 1 million committed from a British fund. Thank you. I'm Sergey from Planyway.